Biden touts TSMC's Arizona investment as bolstering U.S. manufacturing. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co.'s TSMC investment in Arizona could be a game changer, United States President Joe Biden said Wednesday during a visit to the site of TSMC's first chip plant in the state, hailing it as bolstering manufacturing in the U.S. TSMC is investing $40 billion United States dollars here in Arizona, the largest foreign investment in the history of this state, Biden said after making a tour of TSMC's 4-nanometer wafer fab that is still under construction. TSMC, the world's largest contract chipmaker, began construction of a $12 billion United States dollars plant in Arizona about 18 months ago with the aim of having it begin commercial production in 2024 using the 5 nanometers process. In August, Biden signed into law the CHIPS and Science Act, which authorizes the government to provide a total of $52.7 billion United States dollars in funding for semiconductor research, development, manufacturing, and workforce development in the U.S. TSMC Chairman Mark Liu said there had been a growing consensus about revitalizing semiconductor manufacturing, which he said is vital to the modern economy. In the U.S., the project has been challenging for the Taiwanese company, however, encumbered by the potentially high costs of operating in the U.S. and a lack of suitable workers. TSMC's founder Morris Chang said at a press conference in Bangkok last month that the costs in the U.S. will be about 55% higher than in Taiwan. He also told U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi when she visited Taiwan in early August that U.S. efforts to rebuild chip manufacturing at home were doomed to fail, according to the Financial Times. While TSMC is stepping up the diversification of its chip production, Taiwan's Economic Affairs Minister Wang Mei-hua said the company would keep its latest technology at home. TSMC is developing the more sophisticated 2 nanometers process in Hsinchu, with production likely to begin in 2025. Investment,
投资，投资的物件，投资的金额。
bolster,
加强，改善，支撑，提升。
manufacturing,
制造业。
wafer fab,
晶圆制造工厂。
construction,
建设、建造、营建，某种形式的结构。
authorize,
批准、许可、授权、委托。
funding,
出资、提供资金、资助。
consensus,
共识、共同的看法。
revitalize,
再次获得新生，重新复兴，使恢复活力。
challenging,
困难的，具有挑战性的，考验能耐的。
encumber,
加重负担，增加困难，拖累，阻碍。
lack,
动词，缺少，欠缺。名词，没有，欠缺，不够。
doomed,
肯定会失败或毁灭的。
step up,
采取行动，推动，展开。
diversification, diversification,
多样化，使产品、服务包含更多种类。
sophisticated, sophisticated,
精密的、先进的、老练的、世故的。